A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes or keep them open and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax. Let all of the stress in your body melt away. Focus on your breath, noticing each inhale and exhale. Feel the air as it fills your lungs and then releases again. Allow this natural rhythm to become your anchor and guide you into a state of flow. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a river. Notice how the water flows steadily downstream, never stopping or becoming stagnant. Now imagine you can feel the same movement inside you, an energy that is always moving and shifting with grace and ease. Allow yourself to surrender to this energy, letting go of any expectations or control over what happens next. Instead, just observe and trust that the flow will take you wherever you need to go. Breathe. Feel the current carrying you away, guiding your steps and bringing ease to your life. Notice all of the possibilities that open up around you, giving you freedom to explore in any direction. Breathe. Stay aware of this sensation, a peaceful union between mind, body, and spirit, as it gradually fills your entire being. Let everything else fall away as you become more connected with yourself and the present moment. Take a deep breath in and out, and again in and out. When your meditation comes to an end, slowly come back to the room. Take a few moments to appreciate the peace and clarity of mind that has been cultivated through this short practice before slowly opening your eyes when you are ready. Take one more breath in and out.